Okay, this is real quick. I'm going to clean a little of it. Let me wash it off a little bit.
Sweet shoot.
Okay, wait a minute. Look at the size of this worm.
Oh! You gotta clean it again.
I will. Okay.
Yeah. I guess it's time for my bath time now.
Uh-oh, she says this is big
Juicy.
meal. Big meal.
This will be juicy.
Bye, guys. She's thinking about it.
These statues.
She doesn't really taste it. She just kind of just swallows it. She's like, this is not working for me.
I think it's because it's too wet.
It could be too wet, yeah. Uh-oh. Let me help you here, hon. There. Over here. And I'm
Just crumble it up.
Toads never act like this in the wild. She's just really used to people. Okay, now try that.
Oh!
Did you see her use her eyes, and she even used her